So my name is Diane Burnett. I am studying the Person-Centred Counselling, the foundation degree, and my favourite thing about the course is all the internal learning I'm getting about myself. The major skill that I've learnt in the course is obviously how to be a counsellor, and I think for myself I had an idea of what I thought it meant, what I needed to be, the kind of person I needed to be a counsellor. But doing the course has given me a greater insight into how important it is to actually get the theory down and then to really believe in yourself and to be able to be an all-right counsellor. So I chose the counselling degree because it is accredited with the BACP, which is the British Association of Counsellors and Psychotherapists, and they really are the benchmark of accreditation. So it was really important for me that when I finished the degree, I had a qualification that would be widely recognised. As you would expect with counselling, we've got a variety of ages, we've got a variety of backgrounds, and we are such a unit. We are at the end of our 2-year foundation degree, and we have become so close-knit. There's so much that we know about each other, and there's a real respect and generosity with our time and our experiences. I hope to set up in private practice as a person-centred counsellor. I feel really that one thing that the course has done for me is really given me confidence to believe in myself and my abilities to do that. Why I feel that people should come to Lewes to do the foundation degree is because Lewes is a great town. There are loads of pubs which I have enjoyed visiting. The grounds are really nice. You're surrounded by the downs and really easy access. The train's really good. And also just always remember that this is an accredited course with the BACP, which is so important. It's got everything.